Welcome to YouTube, and today we're diving deep into the all-new 2026 Lexus NX, a luxury crossover SUV that perfectly balances refinement, technology, and performance. The Lexus NX has always been a strong player in the compact luxury SUV market, but for 2026, Lexus has taken everything to another level, combining sleek design, cutting-edge technology, and eco-friendly innovation to make it one of the most exciting models in its class. The first thing that catches your eye about the 2026 Lexus NX is its exterior design. Lexus has kept the bold styling we've come to expect, but it's sharper, more athletic, and more sculpted than before. The signature spindle grille has been slightly refined for a more futuristic look, while the headlights feature slimmer LED units with a more aggressive daytime running light signature. The body lines are fluid yet muscular, giving the NX a confident presence on the road. At the rear, the connected LED light bar stretches across the tailgate, adding width and modern appeal. With multiple wheel options, including new aerodynamic 20-inch alloys, the NX truly stands out as a statement of luxury and sportiness. Step inside, and the 2026 NX showcases the brand's focus on craftsmanship and technology. The cabin feels premium in every sense, with soft touch materials, high-quality leather, and refined wood or aluminum trim depending on the package you choose. The driver-focused cockpit has been redesigned, with a large 14-inch touchscreen at the center, powered by the latest Lexus interface system. Wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and over-the-air updates come standard, keeping the NX future-ready. Lexus has also improved voice recognition, allowing natural speech commands to control everything from navigation to climate settings. Ambient lighting with customizable colors enhances the mood, while the panoramic glass roof gives the cabin an airy, spacious feel. One of the highlights of the new NX is its seating comfort. The front seats are heavily bolstered yet remain plush enough for long drives, while the rear offers more legroom than ever before. Heated and ventilated seats are available in both rows, and the sound insulation has been improved, creating a quiet and serene driving experience. For audiophiles, the Mark Levinson premium sound system continues to be a top choice, offering crisp and immersive audio quality. Under the hood, the 2026 Lexus NX comes with multiple powertrain options to suit different lifestyles. The base model features a refined turbocharged 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine that provides a great balance of power and efficiency. For those seeking performance, the NX 450h+ plug-in hybrid returns with even more range, now capable of over 50 miles of electric only, driving thanks to a larger battery pack. This makes it one of the most practical plug-in hybrids in its class. The hybrid systems combine smooth acceleration with impressive fuel savings, making them perfect for both city commutes and long highway journeys. Lexus is also offering improved all-wheel drive systems, giving the NX greater traction and stability in all weather conditions. Driving dynamics have been a big focus for Lexus with this new generation. The steering feels more precise, body roll is reduced, and the suspension has been tuned for both comfort and agility. Whether you're gliding through city streets or tackling winding roads, the NX delivers a refined yet engaging driving experience. Lexus has even introduced new drive modes, allowing you to customize throttle response, steering weight, and suspension settings according to your mood. Safety, of course, remains at the heart of Lexus design. The 2026 NX comes standard with Lexus Safety System Plus 3.0, which includes advanced driver assistance features like adaptive cruise control, lane centering, traffic jam assist, and an upgraded pre-collision system with pedestrian and cyclist detection, a 360-degree camera system, blind spot monitoring, and safe exit assist add extra confidence in every journey. Beyond features and performance, what makes the 2026 Lexus NX special is its identity. It's not just another crossover. It's a carefully balanced package that blends Japanese craftsmanship with modern luxury and technology. Lexus has refined every small detail, from the tactile feel of the buttons to the stitching on the seats, making the NX feel like more than just a car. It's an experience. So is the 2026 Lexus NX worth it? Absolutely. If you're looking for a compact luxury SUV that offers futuristic design, advanced tech, eco-friendly hybrid options, and the signature Lexus reliability, then the NX is one of the most compelling choices available today. It's stylish, comfortable, efficient, and safe, everything you could want in a modern luxury crossover. Thanks for watching. And if you enjoyed this deep dive into the 2026 Lexus NX, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share your thoughts in the comments.